Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want more weekly updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. And I'm here today to help you create better life habits. Create non-negotiable daily habits. There are lots of healthy habits to acquire. Walking outdoors, saving money and cooking meals at home are all great ideas. But I have a list of 8 non-negotiable daily habits that everyone benefits from. Identify the ones you'd like to start and use our practical tips to start new habits to incorporate them into your life. 8 non-negotiable daily habits. 1. Get up at the same time each day. When you wake up at the same time each day, you train yourself to sleep better. Having a daily wake-up time helps start your day off right. 2. Practice self-care. This includes your physical, mental and spiritual health. Meditation offers lots of benefits and exercise gives you the stamina to get through your day. 3. Make your bed. Mom was right. Making your bed in the morning helps you keep your bedroom neat and is a simple task that will make you feel accomplished first thing in the morning. 4. Eat well. We all have to eat, but eating habits can be positive and negative. Make sure you're incorporating healthy foods into your diet and eating the right amount of food for you throughout the day. 5. Express love to the people in your life. Every day, tell the people you love that you love them. It makes everybody feel good and strengthens your relationships. It can be easy to fall out of this habit and think your loved ones assume you love them. Even if they do, it's still nice to hear it. 6. Clear the decks before the end of the day. Putting things in order before you sleep will help you sleep better and avoid the rush of fixing everything in the morning. Pack lunches, select clothes, and load the dishwasher before you go to bed and you'll have a much better morning. 7. Relax into a bedtime ritual. Bedtime rituals and routines genuinely help you get to sleep faster and sleep better through the night. Maybe a cup of non-caffeinated tea and a book helps you feel relaxed. Maybe you're a nighttime showerer. Your bedtime routine is as unique as you are, but doing the same relaxing activity every night is great for your sleep hygiene. Number 8. Sleep 7 to 8 hours a night. Sleeping less than 7 hours a night negatively impacts every aspect of your life. People who don't get enough sleep experience daytime sleepiness, worse memory, and an increase in the likelihood of car accidents. And chronic undersleepers suffer from many more health issues, including depression, diabetes, and heart attacks. Get your Z's. Use non-negotiable language. Telling yourself, I'm going to try to eat better, is a great sentiment, but lacks the power to see you through the actual challenge. Use words like must, get to, and have to give your promises more oomph. Just like Yoda says, do or do not. There is no try. Use accountability. Accountability helps us stick to our habits a lot better. You can be accountable to yourself through a journal or habit tracker, or you can be accountable to others. Friends, family members, and coaches can all support you as you incorporate a habit into your life. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Like our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram, and visit our website, organisetoexcel.com.